element, compound, and mixture. Welcome to the wonderful world of Albaqio International, and I'm your favorite, your friend, Albaqio's RoboQuick. Dear students, today we are here to learn about elements, compounds, and mixtures. Element, compound, and mixture. Matter in this world exists in the form of elements, compounds, and mixtures. What is element? An element is the simplest form of matter. It is a pure substance containing the same kind of atoms. It cannot be broken down into simpler substances by ordinary chemical reactions. Existence. Elements exist in all three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Most of the elements found in this world exist in solid forms. Liquids and gaseous elements are very few in numbers as compared to solids. Types. Elements may be metals, non-metals, metalloids, or noble gases. Elements can also exist in the form of atoms, molecules, ions, and isotopes. Examples of important elements. Examples of important elements are sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, carbon, silicon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, helium, copper, gold, zinc, silver, nickel, cobalt, mercury, bromine, and iodine. Compound. A compound is also a pure substance. It is made up of two or more different elements combined chemically in a fixed ratio. When elements come together, they react with each other and form chemical bonds that are not easy to break. Types of compounds. Compounds may be molecular, ionic, intermetallic, and coordination complexes. They may also be inorganic or organic in nature. Examples of important compounds. Examples of important compounds are water, ammonia, methane, carbon dioxide, sodium carbonate, potassium chloride, starch, proteins, carbohydrates, mineral acids, and organic acids. Mixture. The composition and properties of an element or a compound are uniform throughout a given sample and from one sample to another. However, a mixture is formed when more than one type of elements or compounds are mixed together in any ratio. Examples of mixtures. Examples of everyday mixtures include air, soil, milk, and tap water. Types of mixtures. A mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixture. Mixtures that have uniform composition throughout are called homogeneous mixtures. They are also called as solutions. Example. A solution of salt and water is an example of a homogeneous mixture because its concentration is uniform throughout. Heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixtures are those in which composition is not uniform throughout. Example. A sample of rock is an example of heterogeneous mixture because the concentration of its constituents is different in its different parts. Rocks are composed of different types of minerals such as granite, mica, and limestone. Concept check. What are elements? What are the types of compounds? Differentiate between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. So, dear students, today we have learned elements, compounds, and mixtures.